Terminal 2. Mag-Georgia trip kami ngayon. This is our much-awaited trip. Yeah. Malamig daw yung climate ngayon doon. Yun. So, ang aming outfit, Untitled Chapter. Okay, this is my OOTD. Wala si Kuya Wendell, hindi siya nakasama sa tour namin ngayon, sa Georgia trip namin. Kasi hindi umabot yung kanyang employment visa. We will miss Kuya Wendell, but definitely on the next trip, makasama namin siya. Alright? This is spouse outfit for today.
الدورة ببنسي مؤخذ المقصورة 34 الدورة في وسطها وببنسي مقدمتها كما سترشدكم الأمر في هذه الدائرة إلى حديد المخ.
Hello, welcome to Tbilisi, Georgia. We're finally here. We already landed at last. So right now, iintay lang namin yung holiday factory na magsusundo sa amin. So, meron pa kasi mga ibang mga passengers na mga kasabay namin doon sa bus. So, sabay-sabay kaming aalis. Yun. Para makapunta kami. Mahatid nila kami doon sa hotel. Alright. So, see you later. Yeah, this is our bus. And they're going to transfer us in our hotel.
So everybody just give your luggage to the driver and he will manage everything, okay? And you just can take your seat.
You just leave it here.
Yes. Leave it here and he will just put down.
Okay. It's cold. Freezing cold. Good morning. It's breakfast time. Naubos ko na kanina. Yes. Nahuli lang yung egg nila. Actually, konti lang yung breakfast nila dito. Limited. Oh. Is that a dog? No. It's a tiger. He's so big. Grabe, umuusok yung bibig ko. Musok. Okay, this is our hotel. So, the name is Rodolac. So, medyo bago yung hotel nila. Puntahan ko lang sila Kokoy kasi hindi pa sila tapos mag-breakfast. Hi, I'm back.
Siya yung tigabantay ng mga manok. May mga manok na tumatakbo sa kanya. Tigabungan yung isa.
This is your shower.
This is the sink.
Yeah, this is our messy bed. Look at that. Okay. Look at the mess again. Oh my God. Wow. Ang gilig mo magkalat. Ayan. Ito yung view ng room niya. So nice. Ayun. Uy! Ayan. Merong river. Wow. Yes. Hindi smoke yung aming breath. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Nakakatuwa yung place nila dito kasi very contemporary yung place nila. Kasi, alam mo yung mostly ng mga buildings nila rito is mga luma. Ayun. Pero, ang ganda. Ayun na. Kapag yung hotel na to, yung building na luma na yan. Look at that. Nakikita nyo yung windows, sira-sira. That's it. Alright, so I'm back here sa room namin. Si Pa maliligo muna siya bago umalis. Okay, someone is knocking the door. Come in! Okay. But we still have more time, kaya pwede muna kaming gumala-gala. So, explore muna namin yung place dito. Alright. See you later! Hi, horse! Kasi may mga pulis dito. Ang gwapo. Ang pogi ng mga pulis dito. Napugian ka ba sa mga pulis dito? Hi! Cute-cute niya. Bait-bait niya. Wait. Kami kanina pa. Hello! Picture na talaga siya. Oh, wag mo iihi. Iihian? Hello, doggy. Doggy. Hi, doggy. Okay, bye-bye. Ay, saan sa atin? Look at this. Yan. Yung mga luma nilang mga bahay. Grabe. Walang basura. Diba? Ang linis. Ayan, nakakita niyo. Sa kanto, kwentuhan sila lolo. Mga kumpare. Kita mga tambay dito, di ba? Mga locals. Good morning! They're so nice. Hi! Yeah. Very happy faces talaga sila. Ito yung church nila. I think they are also Catholic country. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Bridge of Peace. Yan. Grabe, dati nakikita ko lang to sa pictures. Ngayon, nandito na kami. So, makikita nyo rin, meron din sila ditong cable. Ayun. Right. Okay. Let's try to cross that bridge. Ganda dito. Ganda, look at the place. The beauty of Tbilisi. Ganda. Oh my God. Look at the stairs. Aakatin namin yan. Cool. Okay. Good luck. Ayun. Doon kami kanina sa baba. Ngayon, dito na kami sa taas. Look at the view. Ayan, so more ahead pa. Okay, ayun. So, nakaakit na rin kami, finally. Okay. Ito yung mga local shops nila. Ano, underground retail shops.
And also to you, my name is Lucy. You can ask me anything what you want, what you're interested in. If it's outdoor or something, anything, well, doesn't matter. Ask me everything. So let's go. First of all, I want to tell you where are we and what history it has. Come. Okay, we are on this very monastery. This is the oldest one which we have in Georgia.
We're here in Old Monastery. Kalimutan ko na yung sinabi niya. Natanda mo ba yung sinabi niya? Yung Old Monastery.
Cross Monastery.
Ha?
Cross Monastery.
Ayun. So we're here in Cross Monastery.
Meron siyang same sa Jerusalem. Kinapin na rin.
Okay.
Sa top view, makita mo siya cross.